Hi everyone, welcome back to Young CEO AI World, where you learn about more about AI. So today we are going to be talking about VS Code, which is Visual Studio Code. How many of us know that? Okay, I guess many of us have heard it, but have not tried it out. So today, let's get our laptops ready. So today we're going to have a tutorial on how to use VS Code, how to download it, how to do many projects on it. So we're going to start with how to download VS Code. So firstly, let's go to our browser. You can see I'm already in my VS Code, but let me open another tab and go to VS Code. So it's loading. It's loading. Okay, this is VS Code here, so just click on it. And download for Windows. Click on download for Windows. Okay, so now it's loading. It's going to load. Okay, so just click on save. So it's not up to 200 megabytes, just 119 megabytes. If it's more than that, I don't think it'll be up to 200 megabytes. So why it's still downloading? So let me show you VS Code. So as soon as you finish downloading VS Code, this is what it will show. This is the display it will give you. So let's continue. So if you want to start with a project, just come to File, go to Open Folder, then create. So remember, if you want to create any folder, any project or VS Code, make sure it's in your desktop. See, I've created many AI Python agent, AI voice assistant, different things. So new folder. Then let's name it website. I'm going to create our own e-commerce website. Website. Just select folder. Yes. So website. So let's now that we're here. Okay. So website. So we just click on it on this, which means new file. You want to put a file in your folder. So let's name it index.html. Even let me show you the website I've created before. Let me show it here. So just come here. Let's go to new window. Should show the projects I've done. Yes. So no. So this website should be here. Somewhere here. Okay, yes, Divine Store. Okay. You can see that we need a lot of code. We need index.html, cat.html, style.css, style2.css, our script.js, which is JavaScript, and we need our images. So, see the website I've created here. So let's go back to our VS Code. It's still downloading. Okay. Let's continue. So you can see the website. We have different codes for different functions. We have different codes. They serve different purposes. You can see them. Our cat.html is where is our cat, is for our cat, where we put our goods. Our style2.css is where we put our buttons, different things. Index.html now covers everything. It's like the boss. Is the main function that controls everything. And see, it's linked to the cat.html, it's linked to the script.js, it's linked to the style.css, it's linked to everything. And our title is www.divinestore.com. Do you know that we can even launch this on GitHub? I'm going to show you how we can launch it on GitHub. Okay, index.html. So now we have created our index.html. Let's go back to our VS Code. Okay, now you just click HTML to type out. So then click HTML5. So you can see it has chosen it. So you have to choose your title first. Let's name it www.emmanuelstore.com. Okay. Now you can see this white sign here, this white circle, something here, this white ball. That means you have not saved your work. First, wait. Let's copy part. Let's copy part. Click on copy part. Then Ctrl V. Okay. So any work you do here is going to be displaying it here. Whether you put background or let's say you put blue background, it will show blue background. Okay, let's continue. So then just want to save, you can either do Ctrl S, or you can come here and click on save. And once it has put the time, that means you have already saved it. Okay, so now let's continue. You can see before we link style.css, before we do everything, you have to put your H1 and H2. So now let's do that. You have to put your H1 and H2. So what do you think H1 will be here? Well, to Emmanuel store. So let's see the magic. Who knows the magic? Just refresh your browser. Oh, I see the problem. I did not save my work. So just save. Go back to your browser and boom. Welcome to Emmanuel store. So let's continue. Add the background. Then we're ready to go. So just like in my own. So what item should we put? What item can we put there? Okay, let's try out. A car. Let's try out the car. Okay. Let's just try out a car. I say just like in my own, try out a car in my H2. So before we put image source, everything, we need to put the price. So price stands for P. P stands for price, I mean. So create P. Then put price. Price. Can see just like my own. Put price, and I think instead of putting hash, we can put dollar, $500 for a car. So $500 for a car. Let's continue. Okay. Control S. So then put dollar sign. Then put your dollar sign. Then put it $500. Then let's see the magic. See, I forgot to show you. This is the website I created. Can you see it? Click on buy now to tell you that you have bought a toy car. Can see it? I added the background, I added the images, and see my cart here. So people can come to my cart and click on how many they want to buy. How many do they want to buy? So I can go back to my store. Okay. So let's go back to www.emmanuel store. See, so it will show car and the price is 5. But this is not looking fine. Let's continue. So let's do this now. Okay. Okay. Now let's add. We are not adding our button now. Let's add our second item, which is a chocolate bar. But we're not going to put chocolate bar. We're going to put bar, just a bar. So let's come here. Bar. Okay. Bar. Just put H2, then put bar in middle, then do the same thing. Price. So let's name this $200. $200. Okay, $200. Now let's put the last but not least, which is a gown. Let's name it a wedding gown. Or should we name it cloth? A cloth. Yes, a cloth. Okay. How much should be a cloth? Let's name it $1,000. Yes. $1,000. Okay. Control S. So we are thinking that it's only car are going to be here, but net bar and clothes. Okay. So can see it here. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now let's create our images. So to create your images, you can easily go to Google or anywhere. You can just go to, let's say, went to wait. Okay, so you can easily get the images from Google. So let's go to our google.com. This Google here. Google. Then look for, let's start with our car. So it's showing different types of car. But which one are we going to choose? I think just this one is okay. So let's download it. That means we're gonna save image as car. So where do you think we're going to save it? In our desktop, in our file, in the website. Okay, save. So now that I've saved this, I have to create a folder for it, which is going to be called image. So new folder. Name this folder image. Then move your car. Move it to image. Okay. So if you open your image, the car is there. So let's do that for the remaining ones. Let's choose one. This one. And just save it as bar. And then save it. Okay, so now let's go to the last one, which is cloth. There are different types of cloths here. So we just need one. Cloth. Let's just choose one. Let's choose this one. Yeah. Cloth. Remember, you're saving it in your website, in your image folder. So cloth. Save. Okay, come back. And wow, see the three of them. Let it load. Uh-huh. 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 Okay. So now that I've done that, so to make it faster, I think let's just take the code here. And here, I'm going to show you how to type the code. So just here, Ctrl V. Okay, but we're not going to, it's not Toika, we're not a Toika. It's our own is we're going to start with car.jpg. Just car. Okay, so you just type this out. So Control S, then go back to your browser, and boom, you can see the cow there. But we need to put it in the middle. We need to add background. We have many things to do. So let's continue. So let's do it for the second one too, which is bar. So ours is okay. So Control S, and boom, we have our bar. Okay, so now let's go back to our VS Code is complete. Okay, so now let's go to cloth, and let's go to our cloth. You can see. Let's go to our cloth. Oh, okay. So now let's go for our cloth. So for cloth, yes. Okay. So now let's just put cloth. Okay. So we're not done yet. We have many other things to do. Now let's now create our style.css. Can see the code in our style.css is not that much. So let's just pay. I'm going to explain the code. I'm not just copying and pasting code. No, I'm going to explain the code. Style.css. Okay. So for the background color, blue. Oh, let me save my work. And save. Okay, my work is ready to save. Okay, so the reason why I refresh my browser is because I refreshed my browser and did not show it because I've not linked it to my index.html because this is my index.html. So let's continue. Okay, now time to link it. So in order to link it, go back to your index.html and go back to your after your title, link Arial equals to start to show this. So take it there. So this link So what do you want to link it to? I want to link it to our style.css. Control S. And guess what we're going to see? Boom! Wow, 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 wow. So let me explain the code. So how do we get this? Let me go to our style.css. So the background color, want the background color to be blue, and you can see it is all blue. And so we want our text and everything that aligns to it to be in the center. And where is it? In the center, in the middle. And what about our H1 color? Our H1 color. We want it to be aqua. Our H1 color is our welcome. See, let me prove it. So our H1 color, welcome to Emmanuel Store. See, it's in aqua color. And what about our font size? We want it to be 16px. So it made it to be 16 pixels. And our H2, we wanted it to be all brown. Everything H2 there, so it's all brown. So are we getting it? So I'm not done explaining the code yet. So we want the border to be solid black. Want it to be solid black. Want all the images to be black. Wanted the sides of it to be curved. See, they are curved. They are not square. They are curved. They are curved. Can we see it? They are curved and they are black. Okay, let's continue. Now to add our buy now button. So now we're going to style2.css. Hey, we have up to 60 codes here. Up to 60 codes. So let me just copy it and paste it. You can see I'm explaining it. That's our style2.css. Okay. Control V. Wow. Guess what we're going to get? Just guess what we're going to get. Okay. So, I'm not just going to refresh our browser because it's showing toy car, everything. So, let's remove this. No need chocolate, just bar. I will just need cloth. So who can guess what I'm gonna get? Okay. So in order to make our style2.css work, we need to get our script.js. So I think I have a problem here. Okay. I need to put price. Okay. So we need to put our our script.js, which is called JavaScript. So okay, let's put a JS sign. So we're just putting 2 lines of code. Just 2 lines of code. See it. Our function by item. So that it will tell us that we have bought what is the item name. Okay. So now that I've done this, so let's now go back to our project. Then once we are done, okay, you can see the magic. Save your work and go back to your browser. Now let's add our buy now button. Let's add our buy now button. So in order to add our buy now button, we need our cart.html. Our cart.html. And remember, let's link our other ones. So we're going to link our script.js. Let's link our script.js. So just script source. because it's a script file. So script src. No, just come here. So script. Wow. Okay, that's our script. Script.js. Control S. Okay. Okay. So now that I've linked it, just for our button now. So let's add our button to our index.html after our images. So just put button on click. So you can see button on click by item and you show the item. So this is it. Okay, you can see it, right? Okay. So let's do that for many ones. Okay, after our price. Our price. So it should be after our price. Okay. Okay. For car. Now let's go for bar. For bar. Okay. Bar. Okay. Now for the last one. Cloth. Cloth. And now let's try it out. Okay, so if you click on buy now button, it will tell you you have bought a car. We're going to test everything. Buy now. You have bought a bar. You have bought a cloth. So you can see it's now functioning. Just for us to add our cart. So just for our last code. Okay, our last code. Cart.html. We have already created it. Oh. Now, cart.html. Wow. It's a very big line of code. Okay. So let's just come here. So, but we're not just going to refresh. So we're not just going to refresh our browser like that. Let's change the name of it. Not Divine Cat. It's going to be Emmanuel Cat. Emmanuel Cat. And now let's put it not record.jpg. And see that I'm doing so. There's something we call the mental models. I'm going to I've posted the part 1 on my so I'm doing my 10-80-10. Yeah, I've posted it on the YouTube channel. You can watch it. So I'm doing my 10-80-10. I'm not just copying code, pasting it. I'm going to do my 10-80-10. Okay. My Mac model, my Hollywood director, different things. So let's continue. Now I'm going to go to the next one, which is bar. Bar. Bar is a web P app. Web P. Okay. Control S. So, and our last but not the least, which is gonna be love. Remember, it's a web P. Okay, and boom, we are good to go. Oh, not done yet. Let's name this love. And let's name this okay. Now let's see the magic. So the magic isn't working because we have not linked our cats.html. So let's link it just like we linked it here. Index. So let's just link it. Remember, it should be under your last item that you want to sell. So let's say it's under your last item. Okay. So now we are done. Just refresh your browser and you have your own cart. You can see the cart. Go to cart and see. So all your images are here. So thank you everyone for watching this video. So I hope you have learned a lot, and I hope you will be able to. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone you know is into AI. Thank you.